Kidney health is so important, but it's something that I think often gets overlooked. Our kidneys filter out toxins and waste from our bloodstream and produce hormones that regulate blood pressure, red blood cell production, and bone health. When our kidneys aren't working properly, it can lead to a buildup of waste and toxins in our bodies, as well as fluid retention, high blood pressure, and even kidney disease. The good news is that making some simple changes to your diet can go a long way in supporting healthy kidney function. Incorporating more kidney-friendly foods into your meals is one of the easiest and most effective ways to keep your kidneys cleansing and operating at their best. In today's video, I'll be sharing the top 15 foods that have been scientifically shown to benefit kidney health. These foods can help flush out toxins, reduce strain on the kidneys, decrease inflammation, and provide important nutrients that support overall kidney function. I'll explain what makes each food so good for the kidneys and share some simple ways you can incorporate them into your everyday meals. Whether you're looking to prevent kidney problems down the road or already dealing with chronic kidney disease, these 15 foods can help promote optimal kidney health. Before we jump into the list, let's do a quick overview of why diet matters so much when it comes to kidney health. First, eating the right foods can reduce strain on the kidneys. High-sodium, processed foods, meat, and dairy can place extra stress on the kidneys, forcing them to work harder to filter out waste and excess fluid. By focusing on unprocessed, low-sodium foods, you take pressure off the kidneys. Second, some foods are naturally diuretic, meaning they help flush out excess water and salt from the body. This cleansing effect takes some of the burden off the kidneys so they can function more efficiently. Finally, certain foods are rich in nutrients like antioxidants, healthy fats, and probiotics that directly benefit kidney function. Nutrients help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, while also providing structural support to kidney tissue. So, by making kidney-healthy foods a regular part of your diet, you enable your kidneys to work at their best while avoiding unnecessary damage. Your kidneys do so much for you on a daily basis, so it's important to take care of them and support their function. Now let's get into this list of the 15 best foods you should be eating for optimal kidney health. Number 1. Berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins that protect the kidneys from damage. They help lower inflammation, reduce oxidative stress, and decrease scarring of kidney tissue. Berries also contain vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant. Try eating fresh berries like strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries a few times per week. You can also opt for frozen berries and add them to smoothies or yogurt parfaits. The antioxidants in berries make them one of the best foods you can eat to maintain healthy kidneys. 2. Apples. Apples are a super kidney-friendly fruit. They contain a flavonoid antioxidant called quercetin that has exceptional anti-inflammatory effects that protect kidney cells. Apples are also high in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol and reduce risk of heart disease, a major cause of kidney damage. Munch on fresh, organic apples as a snack or add slices to yogurt or oatmeal. You can also drink fresh apple juice or cider in moderation. Just be sure to avoid apple juice products that contain added sugars. The high antioxidant content of apples provides cleansing benefits for the kidneys. 3. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a citrus fruit that deserves some serious kidney cleansing praise. It contains antioxidants like naringenin and naringin, both of which protect the kidneys by reducing inflammation and preventing buildup of waste products in kidney tissue. Grapefruit also promotes detoxification because it increases production of glutathione S transferase, a liver enzyme that helps flush out carcinogens and toxins. This cleansing effect takes strain off the kidneys. Eat fresh grapefruit segments on their own or add them to fruit salads. You can also drink freshly squeezed grapefruit juice. Just avoid grapefruit if you are taking certain medications, as it can interfere with proper absorption. 4. Cabbage. Cruciferous vegetables like cabbage contain compounds called glucosinolates that provide antioxidant protection for the kidneys. Cabbage also contains vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium for extra kidney benefits. Try incorporating more cabbage into stir-fries, soups, stews, and slaws. You can eat any type of cabbage, including red cabbage, Savoy cabbage, Napa cabbage, and regular green cabbage. Lightly cook or pickle cabbage to retain the most antioxidants. The high nutrient content of cabbage makes it an excellent choice for kidney health. Number 5. Onions. Onions contain quercetin and allium compounds that provide anti-inflammatory kidney benefits. They help improve bile production in the liver to eliminate waste products efficiently so the kidneys don't have to work as hard. For maximum benefits, eat yellow or red onions since they contain more antioxidants than white onions. You can sauté, grill, or roast onions and incorporate them into recipes like chili, soups, pasta, grains, and many more. Onions give a kidney cleansing effect to many dishes. 6. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, lettuce, arugula, chard, and collard greens contain nutrients like vitamin C, beta-carotene, quercetin, and iron that act as antioxidants to protect kidney cells. They help flush out toxins too. Aim for 2 to 3 servings of leafy greens per day. Add them to smoothies, salads, sandwiches, and main dishes. You can also lightly sauté or steam the greens to make them easier to chew and digest. Keep leafy greens a regular part of your diet to support better kidney function. 7. Olive oil. Olive oil contains a phenolic compound called oleuropein that prevents kidney damage and lowered risk of chronic kidney disease in studies. The antioxidants in olive oil also help reduce inflammation. Use extra virgin olive oil as your main cooking oil and drizzle it over salads, roasted veggies, pasta, fish, bread, etc. You can also find olive oil-based salad dressings or dips. Aim for 1 to 2 tablespoons per day to promote kidney health through olive oil's protective phenols. Number 8. Salmon. Salmon provides essential omega-3 fatty acids called DHA and EPA that are phenomenal for kidney health. These healthy fats reduce inflammation in the kidneys, decrease proteinuria, protein in urine, and lower blood pressure, a major promoter of kidney disease. Aim to eat salmon 2 to 3 times per week. Bake, broil, or grill it and add some lemon juice and herbs. Canned salmon also counts, so you can make salmon patties or salmon salad if desired. Salmon is one of the best sources of omega-3 to reduce kidney inflammation. 9. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, diallyl sulfides, and ajoine, compounds that provide antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits for the kidneys. Garlic also helps increase bile production and excretion of waste products through the liver. Add fresh minced or chopped garlic to savory dishes like pastas, soups, stews, dressings, dips, etc. Let crushed garlic sit for 10 minutes before cooking if you want the maximum allicin content. Garlic gives an antioxidant boost to kidney function. 10. Ginger. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogols that reduce inflammation, fight infections, and stimulate proper digestion to take stress of the kidneys. The antioxidants in ginger also scavenge harmful free radicals. Add fresh grated ginger or ginger juice to smoothies, stir-fries, dressings, marinades, baked goods, and tea. You can also take ginger supplements after checking with your doctor. Ginger provides excellent anti-inflammatory and cleansing effects for the kidneys. Number 11. Turmeric. The curcumin compounds in turmeric are seriously beneficial for kidneys due to their exceptional antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric slows damage to kidney cells, reduces proteinuria, and decreases risk of kidney failure. Add turmeric powder or fresh grated turmeric root to curries, stews, soups, rice dishes, salad dressings, roasted veggies, and smoothies. You can also take curcumin supplements if you don't cook much with turmeric. The compounds in turmeric keep kidneys healthy and inflammation-free. 12. Celery. Celery contains potassium, folate, and vitamin C, all nutrients that are helpful for proper kidney function. The water content in celery also helps flush out toxins and reduce strain. Plus, celery has antimicrobial properties to inhibit kidney infections. Chop celery and add it raw to tuna or egg salad, grain bowls, slaws, etc. You can also put celery into juices, soups, and smoothies. Celery gives an excellent hydrating effect to cleanse the kidneys of waste. Number 13. Cranberries. Like their relative, the blueberry, cranberries also contain cleansing antioxidants called anthocyanins, along with vitamin C, E, and potassium. Cranberries help prevent kidney stones from forming by reducing calcium oxalate saturation. Drink pure cranberry juice or add whole cranberries to chutneys, muffins, breads, etc. If buying cranberry juice, check the label to avoid added sugars. The antioxidants unique to cranberries promote both kidney detoxification and kidney stone prevention. Number 15. Green tea. Green tea contains antioxidant polyphenols like catechins that protect kidney cells and reduce risk of kidney disease. The antioxidants also aid detoxification processes in the kidneys and liver. Brew fresh green tea or drink matcha green tea powder. Have 3 cups per day for maximum benefits. You can also take green tea extract supplements. Just be wary of caffeine if you're sensitive. The antioxidants in green tea are extremely beneficial for kidney health. There you have it. The top 15 best foods you can add to your diet for healthy, happy kidneys. From antioxidant-rich fruits like berries, apples, grapes, and cranberries, to veggie powerhouses like cabbage, onions, leafy greens, and celery, these foods all provide amazing benefits to protect and cleanse your kidneys. Salmon, olive oil, garlic, ginger, turmeric, and green tea also made the list thanks to their anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants that support kidney function. Trying to incorporate more of these foods into your everyday diet can truly do wonders for your kidney health, especially if you're currently dealing with kidney problems. Your kidneys do so much for you around the clock, so make sure to give them the nutrients they need to operate at their best. If you have any signs of kidney problems like pain in your sides, changes in urination, edema, fatigue, or unexplained hypertension, be sure to see your doctor to get tested. Catching kidney issues early is key for preventing further damage. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into 15 of the top foods that can really nourish your kidneys and support overall kidney health. What I love about all of these foods is that they provide benefits beyond just keeping the kidneys in tip-top shape. They can also boost your overall health and well-being. Eating foods like leafy greens, citrus fruits, olive oil, salmon, and ginger provides so many antioxidants, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals that nourish you from head to toe. Focusing on these superfoods is a win-win for helping you feel energized and vibrant every single day. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. I publish new videos on nutrition, wellness, and healthy lifestyle every day, focused on providing tips, techniques, and actionable advice to help you live your healthiest, happiest life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.